Naveen Jain. I have passed my BSc from Maharaja Ganga Singh University, Bikaner in 2009. Basically, I am from non-coding background. For joining AttainU, I was doing some freelance work. Then my brother-in-law, who is also a web designer, told me about AttainU. Then I joined AttainU. AttainU instructors are very helpful. They give coding challenge every day and assignment every Saturday. It is very helpful to understand the concepts. Then I passed FRT and SSC Yuvraj Kushwaha is assigned to me. Yuvraj sir helped me a lot and I got placement in AX Technosoft. For AttainU future student, I want to say it's an educational institute. So work hard and you'll get a good placement.